Are you thinking of starting your own clothing business in Malaysia? Whether you have a passion for fashion or you're looking for a profitable venture, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. Malaysia offers a dynamic fashion market with a blend of traditional styles and modern trends. From local designers to international brands, the possibilities are endless. But what does it take to get your clothing business off the ground? First, you need to develop your brand. Think about your target audience, your niche, and your unique selling proposition. What makes your clothing line stand out? Is it eco-friendly fabric, affordable pricing, or cutting-edge designs? Next, it's time to register your business. In Malaysia, you'll need to decide between setting up as a sole proprietorship or a private limited company. You'll also need to apply for the necessary permits and licenses to operate legally. Ready to take the leap? Visit 3E Accounting and start your clothing business today and join the vibrant fashion scene in Malaysia.